My name is Koray Duman, and I'm the principal of Büro Koray Duman Architects. Welcome to our project in Williamsburg. In this project, we want to turn a 1,200 square foot space in an old shoe factory into an open contemporary loft while preserving the historical elements of the space and responding to the specific needs of the clients. At the entrance, we want to give you a glimpse of the design concept and the material palette for the rest of the apartment. So we pushed back the entry closet to expose the historical columns. The ceiling is made out of perforated stainless steel, which also helped us cover the existing pipes and ductwork. We selected a tile that's the same width as the hardwood floor of the living room, and the angle of the tile refers to another design idea we implemented for the rest of the apartment. My client's big passion is books, so we decided to cover the entire perimeter of the apartment with bookshelves. At the same time, our clients didn't want to be overwhelmed with their books. So what we decided to do is to rotate the bookshelves by 45-degree angle. By doing so, we reduced the visibility of the books by half. Now we are in the kitchen, which is the heart of the great room, which also includes the dining room and the living room. The countertops and some of the custom details are stainless steel. The tile for the backsplash is the same tile as the kitchen and entryway floor. The client wanted an oversized island, but we wanted to respect the historical columns of the space. So we custom designed this island so it perfectly fits in between these columns. And it turned out to be an example of a perfect marriage between old and new. By opening up the space, not only we expanded the floor plate, we also brought in as much natural light as possible. And you can really feel it in this living room. The clients have a great collection of contemporary furniture, including this reclining chair by Dieter Rams. Here also you can see how we adapted the bookshelf in order to accommodate the windows. This also allowed us to hide a screen for a projector and create a window seat. The space that we are in right now used to be a separate room. So we opened up to make it a part of the great room and turn it into a dining area. So the custom bookshelf continues at the perimeter of this space as well, and appropriately it holds 600 cookbooks of the client. We designed the dining table, which is another great collaboration with the client. We selected this beautiful green marble countertop to complement the client's existing dining chairs and their lamp. And the base of the dining table is also angled to match the angle of the hardwood floor, as well as storage for the client's cookbook collection, because you can never have enough bookshelves. We kept the bedroom small, so we can maximize the space for the rest of the apartment. Around the bed, we custom designed these side tables and the headboard. Again, because our client loves his books, we created a shelf adjacent to his bed. And on this side, the bookshelf continues from the living room into the bedroom. And like the rest of the space, we want to celebrate the history of the building, so we expose this beautiful wood beam. This project is all about celebrating our clients' passion and highlighting the history of the building. We accomplish it by designing playful and surprising insertions and highlighting architectural details while keeping a cohesive material palette. I hope you enjoy taking a look.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.